Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julie Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. Yes, I have a parcel here. Ayan. Dito siya open. Kakarating lang kanina. And let's open it to see what it is in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, so as you may see here guys, quick showing lang tayo. There's a lot of shoes over here, over there, and meron pa doon sa sa living room. And it's because kulang na kami sa acrylic guys. So this one, I bought it for my kids dahil eto na yung gagamitin nila na acrylic. Alright, so let's go. Let's open it. I don't know why 4. So, ganito siya. Okay. Let's see. There's the damage here. Let's see. So, ganito siya guys. And supposed to be, kapag inock to, ganyan siya guys. So, all we need to do is literally just push back here. And then here also. Ayan. We just need to push it back here at the back para mag-click siya. Okay, so ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and then here, all we need to do is push dito. Ganun lang siya guys. And then here, same thing. I need to do it over here and click here. Ayan. Close. Open. Click. Click. Ayan, ganito siya. Let's make sure na. Ayan. So, ganito siya guys. As you may see, it's front door, not like ours behind na side door. Okay? And the good thing guys is, syempre yung mga bata, always nila ginagamit yung mga shoes. So, tendency may mga sweaty feet sila. And the good thing is, pwedeng makahinga ang kanilang sapatos dahil may mga holes dito sa likod. Alright, so this is a 5-layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer. Okay, so ganito siya guys. Ayan. And of course, beside dito sa 5 layers na to, pwede pa natin sila pagpatungin. Alright, so let's see. Let's open the others.
Birthday. Ay, sorry.
guys, another 5 layers. So, pag pinatong natin sila, it's like this plus this one. Okay. Ganito siya. Alright, para maging 20 layers siya. Or, pwede rin nung naman na ganito lang. Na magkatabi lang sila. Ayan. Ito lang ang patong siya, guys. Ganito siya. Sana! And, so we have 2 more boxes here. I-install din natin. And pakita ko tapos sa inyo yung results. Alright!